Welcome back to the Revved Up channel. 2025 Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano, a masterpiece in white. Ferrari's 599 GTB Fiorano stands as a testament to the Italian automaker's commitment to luxury and performance. As Ferrari's most illustrious front-engine offering, the 599 GTB combines an aluminum construction with a commanding V12 engine, delivering a driving experience that makes its price tag seem like a value proposition in the world of high-performance vehicles. In its 2025 iteration, the Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano continues to captivate with its dynamic presence, now available in an exquisite shade of white that highlights its sculptural beauty and aggressive stance. While its exterior design has sparked debate among enthusiasts and critics alike, seeing the 599 GTB in person, particularly in this striking white hue, is an experience that reveals the full extent of its sophisticated allure. For 2025, Ferrari's dedication to excellence is evident in the 599 GTB's refined details and advanced technology. The new GTO model, introduced in 2011 and further evolved, benefits from a rigorous weight reduction program, enhanced power, and finely tuned agility. These improvements elevate the driving experience, transforming an already breathtaking blend of performance and elegance into something truly extraordinary. The 599 GTB Fiorano in white not only enhances its aerodynamic lines, but also reflects Ferrari's legacy of crafting cars that are as visually stunning as they are mechanically brilliant. Whether on the track or the road, this Ferrari offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and sophisticated, making it a standout choice for connoisseurs of fine automotive.